iSupport problem management features. Use iSupport's problem management functionality, which is included in the Service Desk edition, to document and track the process of troubleshooting and identifying the root cause of incidents. In the Incident screen, you can use the View Open Items for Categorization link to associate incidents and problems with the same category. The problem will appear in the Associated Work Items field. Since the goal is to restore service as soon as possible and get an accurate picture of how long service was disrupted, you can add a workaround such as using a different printer. The associated incidents can be closed and notifications can be sent automatically. In addition to views on the desktop, you can publish known errors to Twitter and to MySupport portals. Customers can associate incidents via the Create Incident button when viewing a known issue. You can keep the problem open and associate a change for any tasks for fixing the issue and preventing it from reoccurring. You can also associate records for affected assets and related purchases. The problem can be closed after documenting the root cause and resolution. Associated incidents can also be closed automatically at this point. iSupport has a default configuration that you can start using right away, but you can enable problem functionality and set basic options via the Feature Basics configuration screen. You can configure problem screen defaults, work history field settings, and routing settings. If publishing to Twitter, configure a Twitter application via the Social Media Integration Twitter application screen. iSupport includes many options for customizing problem functionality according to the needs of your company. You can track the urgency based on the amount of time a resolution is needed, and impact, usually the number of users affected, for reporting and notification purposes. For example, you can use these values in a rule to publish a desktop notification for problems with a greater impact. Customize impact and urgency values and map to priority levels via the Impact and Urgency configuration screen. You can create custom labels for the problem status levels of open and closed. iSupport includes default layouts of fields for recording information about problems, but you can customize these layouts to track the information applicable to your company. If there are fields you need for the problem screen that are not included in iSupport by default, you can create custom fields. You can define an unlimited number of label-only text, keyword, hyperlink, date, selection, and date time fields. You can require custom fields to be completed before a work item is saved and/or closed, use rules to set a custom field value, and display fields based on conditions or categories. Use problem rules to automatically change problem field values, route to appropriate support representatives, and send desktop and email notifications based on specified conditions. You can use or copy and modify iSupport's default email notifications, or you can create new custom notifications. You can include data from work items and designate any applicable recipients. You can enable display of an alert bar for the new assignee to acknowledge a problem that has been created or saved from a MySupport portal, routed manually or automatically via a rule, created via email, or created via direct entry with an assignee different from the current support representative. A notification can be sent afterward. Enable acknowledgments via the Problem Management Feature Basics configuration screen. You can use drag and drop designers to create charts and reports of problem data and customize pre-built reports. You can also view and generate SSRS reports and schedule reports to be delivered via email. That's it for an overview of iSupport's problem features. If you have questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST Monday through Friday, and 8 to 5 p.m. PST Saturday and Sunday for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.